Have you ever rushed in the morning, only for your car to say no? Let's talk about the real reasons why your car won't start. Let's go to number 1. Dead battery. Your car has no power, lights left on, or battery is old. Number 2. Bad starter. You hear a click, but the engine won't crank. Number 3. No fuel. Tank is empty or fuel gauge is misleading. 4. Cold engine. Common in European countries. Morning cold makes oil thick and starting harder. Number 5. Faulty spark plugs electric plug. No proper spark equals engine won't start. 6. Fuel system issues. Blocked filter or weak pump stops fuel flow. Number 7. Immobilizer problem closed lock with key. Car doesn't recognize the key. So next time your car refuses to start, don't panic, just check these first. Which one has ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.